Let's make the Pina Colada from Jelly Belly Cocktail Classics. The first thing we have to do is open up all these packages. So that's what I'm going to do. I got my little scissors. I don't need to use the scissors. They have this little tear mark. So I'm going to open these up and I'm going to pour these out. I'll be right back with you. I tend to be somebody who throws away the packaging as soon as the product is out of the box. This time I managed to save one of the packages, and this way, it's a good thing I did. You might want to do this as well, because this way you can compare the color of the bean to the color on the back. And this yellow one is clearly the Pina Colada. So I'm going to get to sorting. I'll be right back with you. Note that sorting all these by hand is kind of a pain in the butt. They do offer the option of buying single flavors on the Jelly Belly website, so if you want just one of the cocktails rather than all 8, feel free to do that. The official glass for this drink is a Poco Grande. I'm going to build this one in the glass rather than shaking it. Sometimes I measure, sometimes I free pour. Today we're going to free pour. We're going to start by putting the Jelly Bellies into the glass. And for future reference, this is 8 or 12 of those little packages. It doesn't even fill up half the glass, so it might have been better to use a smaller glass or get more Jelly Bellies. Choice is yours. Garnish. The official garnish for a Pina Colada is often a cherry, a pineapple leaf, a chunk of pineapple, something like that. I'm going to be a little bit avant-garde, and I'm going to use some lime Jelly Bellies on a skewer. And I'm going to drop that right in there. And there you have it, a Jelly Belly Piña Colada. Drink with good spirits.